Welcome fellow YouTubers and especially my fellow Queenslanders. The deep state, the Illuminati, is all powerful in Queensland. I guess every country or state bureaucracy has one with vested interests. Although if I hadn't experienced it, I would never have believed it. They control everything. You may not realise it, however, we live in a bubble. Nothing is real, and our media is complicit. Perhaps it is the case that the state government is the media outlet's largest customer. But that doesn't explain why state-owned media will not tell the story. I guess we all know the answer to that question. However, you'd need to come to that conclusion yourselves. Analytical thinking comes with age and experience, as journalism is a dying art form, as overhead is a genuine concern in the private sector. Media companies, they employ kids or children straight out of university that have been indoctrinated with groupthink. It is a major challenge for young minds. Most of their news stories is obviously sourced from police media after it has been created by teams of PR consultants employed within the burrows of the deep state. It is so dangerous. No doubt they will soon come for me. However, exposing those involved could not happen to a nicer group of people. When it comes to state secrets, there must obviously be huge penalties, as my story is mind-blowing, and I am now certain there must be plenty of others like me. Those stories that expose cronyism must be flushed out for our country's sake. Since 2015, I have complained consistently that I am yet to receive an inquiring response. My emails are ignored. I often laugh with friends when the media develop news stories about cronyism and corruption in the judiciaries of other countries. The reality, however, it is a human trait, and evil comes in many forms. You may have heard of the saying, everything comes out eventually. I honestly thought it would. That one journalist out of the mainstream media would do their job and hold the establishment accountable. After all, I thought we lived in a democracy. I thought it was a basic human right to be given a fair trial and due process. I discovered that you are, unless you can prove irrefutably you didn't get one. Nobody can hear me scream. That's why I'm producing these streaming videos. Think of that famous movie, The Truman Show. We all live in it. That bubble. The evidence is irrefutable, and you don't need to be a lawyer to understand that what these individuals did to us and how the Queensland Government continues the cover-up. I have sent the evidence to every media outlet, and I never receive a reply. My Twitter account has been shadow banned, and I've been denied access to other social media platforms. Yet I have done nothing wrong, always been respectful, as I believed in the justice system. Hopefully these videos will bear some fruit. The contact details of every Queensland MP are on the website whentheftislegal.org. Please write to them and demand a royal commission into the judiciary so others don't suffer the intentional psychological torture of being isolated. Divide and conquer. Private truths are very different to public representations made by Premier Palaszczuk and bureaucrats within the state government, including the Police Commissioner, the Crime and Corruption Commissioner, and the Legal Services Commissioner. It's a two-tiered legal system, rules for them and rules for the rest of us. Please watch my videos and make up your own mind. Then like and subscribe to either my YouTube or Rumble channels. And if you have suffered any undeniable injustice and refused acknowledgement, my idea is perhaps start a Me3 movement on Twitter and bring attention to your situation. Or visit our website whentheftislegal.org for access to other more detailed information. And if so inclined, please leave a donation and sign our change.org petition so you can learn just how corrupt the Queensland state government really is. See you again soon, and always remember, She'll be right, mate. Never fear, Randolph is here. Mabuhay.